Hello everyone. I am Professor Uday Shetty K, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Grade College, Tinkarudi Udupi. Hereby presenting my paper on attitudes of rural customers about the need for life insurance protection, a study in Udupi district. This paper is prepared and presented in the international conference organized by Government First Grade College for Women, Mandya, Karnataka. As we all know, insurance is a protection for life. Insurance gives a feeling of security to the people. It has socio-economic impact on the society. As an economic impact, it is going to expand the business of insurers, and the insurance companies can provide employment opportunities. As a social impact, it gives a feeling of security. As such, better insurance coverage means more secure life to the people. As such, overall growth of the economy can be guaranteed only if larger population get covered under insurance. As we know, rural market is having largest potential because around more than 70% of total population living in rural area. Here, the population in rural area is scattered and it is varied. But if it is tapped properly, automatically it can be a huge potential to the insurance service providers. As we know, every insurance company will adopt promotion strategies. The promotion strategy may be highly essential for the purpose of expanding their market, but in the case of insurance marketing, the urban market is already saturated. As such, reaching rural market or capturing rural market will be an inevitable option for the insurance service providers. The promotional function of every insurance company can become successful only if it focus on the customers. They need to concentrate on the present, past as well as the potential customers. If they take this work seriously, that means if they focus on the customer needs and wants, definitely their process of getting success will become easier. When we go through the literature, in the review of literature, it is being observed that there are a number of studies both within the country and in abroad focusing on customers' perspectives and the expectations of customers, but there's no in-depth study on the topic of what best we can do, what strategies we can adapt for the coverage of insurance in rural areas. So this study is studying attitudes of rural customers about insurance and need for insurance is focusing mainly on developing the appropriate strategies that can be highly suitable for meeting the expectations of the rural customers. When it comes to the need for the study, as we know, we are focusing not only on expanding the business of service providers, we are focusing on both the development of the insurance company as well as development of the people, the society. Here, our intention is to see that people who are living in this world, they have to live in a comfortable state. For that purpose, we have to ensure huge insurance coverage in a country. When you come to the objectives of the study, the important objectives includes to study the extent of insurance coverage in rural areas, to study the awareness of rural population on the need for and availability of insurance products, to analyze the factors which are responsible or motivates the rural population to buy insurance products, and to determine the potential rural customers' perceived need for acceptance of and willingness to purchase the insurance policies. Here, the sampling unit is actually the insurance companies, then insurance agents, and the policy holders. And when it comes to the sampling method, the convenience sampling method is being adapted, and due importance is given to the representation of all categories of people. That means the insurance companies, insurance agents, and insurance policy holders, that means customers. The important findings that clearly highlights that insurance coverage is not satisfactory in India. The rural community that needs customized products and Indian insurance sector that requires a transformation. That means from the seller oriented market or from seller's market to the buyer's market. Now there is a transformation. Here insurance market is becoming buyer's market. As such, a customer may be getting greater command over the market. Now let us come to some of the suggestions as given by the researcher in this micro study. Here the first suggestion we are giving is customized products and effective distribution strategies. Here customized products means we need to develop the products which are highly suitable for the needs of the rural population, and we need to adapt an effective distribution strategy which can ensure the product reaches customers' hand within least possible time. The second important suggestion here is that role of agents in insurance distribution is highly significant. As such, insurance companies need to develop insurance agents. They need to acquire or they need to recruit competent insurance agents. Then they need to train them. They need to provide them all the basic facilities for the purpose of making them motivated to continue in this field. And at the same time, there should be adequate salary for the insurance agents, because in the study, during the period of study, it is being observed that most of the insurance agents are working on commission basis and they are not in a position to get a handful of salary. As such, they may not be showing greater interest in insurance promotion. Then one more suggestion that's been given here is group insurance can be chosen as an option for promoting rural insurance. Here, self-help groups, village panchayats and NGOs, non-government organizations, can be chosen as a platform for the purpose of introducing group insurance for the purpose of promoting insurance in rural areas. And one more suggestion we can give here is the Motor Vehicle Act makes it mandatory to buy motor vehicle insurance. Similarly, we can make it mandatory to the people to buy life insurance policies, so that all people, they may get insurance policy because of compulsion, which may create or which may result in greater insurance coverage. I would like to conclude my presentation by saying covering untapped rural customer or untapped rural market is not very easy, but it's not very tough. Here, if the efforts are put, it may be very comfortable for the insurance companies to target the rural customers. At the same time, the rural customers may come forward to buy the insurance policies. So what is important here is insurers should understand that there is a rising expectation of insurance customers in rural areas. Here, the rural areas and the people in rural areas, they are always at the higher side. The first and the foremost thing insurance corporation can do, insurance companies can do, is they have to educate the rural customers and they have to provide them all the necessary information, and they have to ensure the rural customers that the best service is being assured. If these efforts are being properly put by the insurance corporation, definitely insurance marketing becomes successful, and finally the insurance coverage may become adequate in the near future. Thank you.